Okay, I just want to show you this quick proof. People are getting paid by using this. You can see every Wednesday there's another hangout, and Thursday by Frank Gonzalez. More people are welcoming new members. Okay, Nicholas 23 hours ago, 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago. Okay, okay, and you see Kim, she's very new to the group. Okay, people are joining. Alright, 3 hours ago, new member Elite Lighting. Alright, 5 hours ago, just started the system. So just always more people are joining and using this system, okay? Just showing you a review of Poly System, how you can use it to help you promote anything online or basically make commissions like this or even more, okay? So as a Poly System member or up higher, you're gonna get access to our PLS Poly System Mastermind Facebook group and our done for you traffic uh, coming from my sponsor. He had helped me and helping a lot of members get traffic constantly, instantly. You can get traffic and you can start seeing success of new members coming in on your pay line. Okay, so you can see Alan Cousins. He's always posting new updated. Okay, and people are setting up their funnel by using Poly System. You see our sponsor Alan Cousins welcome a new member. All right, we stroll down. Got another new member, and this means show improve getting those paydays. You can get paid from Paylution on your e-wallet, and you can set up to order your debit card, so you can take the money out of your Paylution account and use your debit card. As you can see, showing proof there, and you can see Drew Lowe is secure his co-op clicks. Okay, so this extra traffic that you can get, so you can generate some signups into this business of Poly System or something else that you're willing to promote. You can see welcome another new member. We got more members signing up. So there's always more new members signing up and getting access to it. Alright, so you can see Alan's welcoming another new member because we have a new winner. They went all in, so they are a platinum member. Okay, and you can see Christina got 2 gold members today on that day. So there's always people signing up. So if you want to take more look into this and get secure of your co-ops, you can see people getting traffic and people are signing up. So you can get some emails like this. People are passing up. You still earn 50% commissions. Okay. So let's go to my email. You can see constantly getting some new opt-ins on the capture page. So it's loading right now. You can see your 45. It showed last time was 45. Still showing 48 now. So I got 3 more leads. As you just seen, it was 45, and last one came at 12.98. A new 2 leads came in from free using Freely system. So I also leave that link in the description if you just want to test it for free. With no monthly fees after your 7 days, you can have the Freely system for free. So I also leave those links in there with lead lighting. But like I said, if you come in with Poly System right off the bat, you start your 7-day free trial, and then you want to keep the service because you're still going to get lead lighting with as a Poly System member, and you get free lead system. So that's why a lot of people join Poly System because they get more advantage of using the tools. You can see receiving a payment as I just showed you that proof image, and the PLS customers on your pay line. You can see it going on your pay line, and you can earn commissions every single month as they stay active on your pay line. Okay, so you can keep going down here. You can see more Elite Lightning members are joining for $6. Okay, you say you earn $6 commissions, and they'll pay you every single week as you earn these commissions. See new lead, new customers, more gold members, new late lighting, gold members, customers, 100 leads, okay, 100 leads, new customer, new gold member. So it works. It's all about you taking action. And one thing is to get positioned as a diamond member, because you might have a gold member that upgrades to diamond, like I have, but lost the diamond commission because it wasn't a diamond member. Okay. So this is my whole proof for showing you that the system works. All you gotta do is take action, visit the website, and you can start using this power lead system. Very easy, and turn many red buttons as green. Like I show you free ad secrets, I got a green now, and working on my last red button is Social Profit Academy, and this is where you start really making a lot of money. Okay. So this trial is Alexander with a review about power lead system. Make sure you click the links below, and I have my contact information on the website so you can check me out. Do have my information, and you can check us out, and you can see it's Allen Cousins right there is a sponsor right there. I show you the PLS Mastermind extra Facebook group that you get access to. All you gotta do is take action, click on the link, and you have our help to get that done for you traffic. Okay, so I see you guys on the next updated video about power lead system. Have a great day. Peace.